Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to swap, rearrange, and move clips on the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is an essential skill for organizing your video projects and creating the perfect flow for your edits. Let's dive right into it. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches, you'll see several options at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will take you to the editing workspace where you can manipulate your clips and arrange them exactly how you want them on the timeline. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You actually have two different methods to swap, rearrange, or move clips on your timeline. Both work perfectly, so you can choose whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. Let's start with the first method. Right-click on the clip you want to move. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Ripple Cut. What this does is remove the clip from its current position without leaving any gaps in your timeline. Now, select the position where you want to move this clip. This could be earlier or later in your sequence, depending on how you want to restructure your video. Once you've selected the new position, right-click on that spot and click Paste Insert. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-Shift-X on your keyboard to do the same thing. This will insert your clip at the new location while automatically shifting the other clips to make room. It's a smooth, efficient way to reorganize your timeline without creating any unwanted gaps. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is even quicker for simple swaps. Click on the clip you want to move. Then, look at the top of your screen and click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various editing options. From this menu, click on Swap Clips toward left or Swap Clips toward right, depending on which direction you want to move your clip. This instantly swaps the selected clip with the one next to it, making it perfect for quick adjustments when you just need to shift things around by one position. And that's it. You've now mastered two efficient ways to rearrange your clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.